Welcome. Today we're walking to the Tomaree Head Summit, one of the most iconic short hikes in Port Stephens, New South Wales. Before we begin the walk, let's take a moment to see where we are. Tomaree Head is located inside Tomaree National Park, right at the entrance to Port Stephens. The summit sits about 161 meters above sea level and offers some of the most breathtaking coastal views in the region. This is a 2.2-kilometer return walk, rated grade 5.
Hi guys, welcome to Tomaree Headland Summit Walk.
It's short, but it's steep, challenging in sections, and definitely not a walk to underestimate. As we start the trek, the path rises quickly. The climb begins almost immediately, and you can feel it in your legs within the first few minutes. The track is paved but uneven in places, and it can become slippery when wet. Good shoes, water, and sun protection are essential here. Take it slow. There's no rush. As we walk, notice the surrounding bushland, low coastal plants, native trees, and the sound of the wind moving through the leaves. With each step higher, the air feels fresher, and the view behind us slowly begins to open. This walk is short, but it demands respect. Many people turn back early, thinking it's easy, but patience is rewarded here. As we continue climbing, the ocean starts to appear between the trees. Patches of deep blue water, white waves breaking far below, and the coastline slowly revealing itself. These early glimpses are a reminder of what's waiting at the top. If you need to stop, stop. This is not a race. Take a breath. Have some water, then continue when you're ready. We're now moving into the steepest section of the walk. This part requires steady footing and focus. The path climbs sharply and your heart rate rises quickly, but with every step, the views become wider and more dramatic. This is where the walk starts to change. The effort fades into excitement. As we approach the upper section, the vegetation thins out. The wind becomes stronger, and suddenly the landscape opens up. From here, the coastline stretches endlessly in front of us. We're almost at the summit now.
It calculates it.
It calculates it for you, but also you can just...
And just like that, we arrive at the Tomaree Head Summit. Take a moment. From the top, the views are truly panoramic. To the north, you can see Yacaaba Head, along with Cabbage Tree and Boondelbah Islands. These islands are incredibly important. They are the only nesting sites in the world for the endangered Gould's petrel. On a clear day, you can see far beyond the immediate coastline, with layers of ocean and land fading into the distance. From the north viewing platform, the entrance to Port Stephens spreads out below. Boats move slowly through the water, looking tiny from this height. Now, turning toward the south platform, the views change again. You can see Zenith Beach, Wreck Beach, and Box Beach, along with Fingal Island and Point Stevens Lighthouse standing quietly in the distance. If you're walking the Tomaree Coastal Walk or heading toward Fingal Bay, this view gives you a perfect sense of the journey ahead. This is one of those places where time seems to slow down. The wind, the ocean, the endless horizon, everything feels calm and expansive. Between May and November, this is also a great spot for whale watching. If you have binoculars, keep an eye on the water below. With a little patience, you might spot whales moving along the coastline. Moments like this are what make the climb worthwhile. A short walk, a challenging ascent, and a reward that feels far bigger than the effort required. There's a picnic table here at the summit. If you've brought food or a warm drink, this is the perfect place to stop and enjoy it. Sit, rest, and let the view do the work. Before heading back down, take one last look around. Breathe deeply. Notice how small everything feels from up here.
Tomaree Summit walk, and we are enjoying our view.
No worries. Fabulous.
It is like an island, and we can see too many islands over here. And you can see the beautiful scenery here, and there are too many islands over here. I can do the back camera and you can see the view itself. I don't have to say much about the view. As you can see, look at the view, guys. Oh my god. Okay, let's go over here and see another view. As you can see, oh my god, guys, look at the view. Ooh. And you can see here there is a photo shoot going on.
Okay guys, photo session and the view. Mana त्यस्तो नगर्नु नि 0.5
एकदम I am feeling so happy. Khoi ta आउँदैन यता आउन मान्छे चाहिँदैन यता हेर्नु न How are you feeling, guys?
Nice.
It's still energetic.
Ah, okay. So let's go now. We're gonna walk from here now. Let's go. Let's go, guys.
Tomaree Head Summit is more than just a walk. It's a reminder that some of the best views come from pushing just a little beyond comfort. When you're ready, we'll begin the walk back down, slowly, carefully, and with appreciation for everything this place has offered. Thank you for walking with me today.